Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tulja and today we are going to be starting our very own Arduino for Beginner series. So I thought why not start with a software simulation tool than going directly to the hardware. So here I am with the first video, very first part of our series where we learn about Tinkercad software. So in this video we are going to be learning how to create a free Tinkercad account and then how the interface of Tinkercad is, what you can do in it, and also we are going to be starting a little project on blinking of LEDs. So let's get started. So first open Tinkercad in any browser and then you can sign up for free. This is a free platform where you can make circuit connections or make 3D models and designs, etc. So after you open it, the dashboard looks like this. And now we have to go to create tab and open circuits. So here is the place where you start working with everything, and on the right hand corner you have components bar where you have different components: Arduino boards, motors, sensors, LEDs, resistors, buttons, etc. And then you have a code bar where you can write code after you have connected the circuit. And then you have start simulation button where after you are ready with the circuit and after you are done with the code, you can start the simulation and you can check the output. So we are going to be starting our very first project, LED blinking. It is the most easiest and simplest one, and also I'm going to be explaining the steps and all the parts of the code, so please pay attention. First, we are taking an Arduino Uno board, drag it and drop it anywhere on the screen. Now we need a breadboard, and because we're using LED, we need an LED and also a resistor. First take a resistor and connect it somewhere, and you can change the name of the resistor and the resistance amount too. I'm going to be leaving it at the default amount. And LED. Now LED, I'm connecting the cathode to the resistor and the anode to the 7th pin of an Arduino Uno board, because the 7th pin is a digital input pin and the resistor other end to the ground pin. So that's it. Here are our connections, and now we are going to be writing a code to make sure the LED will blink. Now we have different types of codes too. We have block code, block plus text code, and text code. I'm going to be explaining the text code because it is the most similar to the Arduino IDE, where we're going to be working on soon with actual hardware components. So as I've already connected, it already gave me an example code. So if you're familiar with C or C++, then you would know what the code structure is and etc. So these void setup and void loop are the functions, and void setup only execute one time, where when at the beginning of the program, and void loop will loop the program, like how many ever times you want, it will loop it. So in void setup, you have to give the input and output pins, and output we are giving it to 7th digital pin. So I'm changing this LED built in to number 7. And digital write means it will is the condition for the LED to blink, turn on and turn off. So here high means the LED is on and low means LED is off. So we are telling the LED to turn high. So I'm changing this LED built-in to number 7, and then we have a delay of 1000. That means delay of 1 second here. That means after the LED is turning high, after 1 second it will turn off, that is turn low, and again after a delay of 1 second it will come back here again and it will turn high. Understood? Now I'm changing this one to built-in 7, and that's it. We can run the code now. So I'm starting run simulation. Now you can observe the LED. It's turning on and off with a delay of 1 second. Now if you want to write your own code or make changes to this code itself, you can stop the simulation and write the delay as, if I want for example, let's say 2 seconds. it should turn on for 2 seconds and then it should turn off for 5 seconds. Let's just say, take it as an example, and then start simulation. See, 1, 2, and then it's off for 5 seconds. It turned on again. So that's it, guys. This is basically the most easiest and basic experiment of all the time. It's and you can, if you want to start any kind of projects, I have to say Tinkercad is the best software tool. It is free too. So if you're a student like me, or if you just want to learn it for fun or want to do any projects in your free time, then you can start with Tinkercad, design your own projects, write your own code, and once you're confident, you can go ahead and buy your components and design your own project. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this session, and if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, or if you have any comments, please make sure to comment down below. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you're really interested in following and learning more about this Arduino or Tinkercad, then please make sure to turn on the bell icon, because I will be making this a series for sure, and I'm going to be updating this series every twice a week. So please make sure to subscribe to this channel and support. Thank you guys.